Another really important thing you need to know when working with fractions is how to simplify or to reduce them. So we're going to look at a similar fraction that we've seen already today, and that would be 8/16. Here it is represented in a model. Now I know that this fraction is not simplified because they're still sharing more than one factor. When a fraction is in simplest form, this means the numerator and denominator have only one as a common factor. And from what we know about factors, factors are numbers that can be multiplied by another number to get a product. So what I need to do is say, when I look at this fraction, 8/16, what are some common factors that they have? Well, I know that 8 is a factor of 16. So I'm going to start by dividing the top and the bottom number by 8. So here's 8/16. And I'm going to divide whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. So I divide 8 by 8, and I divide 16 by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. To reduce 8/16, we end up with 1/2. I know this is true because when I look at the model, 8 out of 16 is half of all of the whole 16 pieces of this. So to simplify, you need to be able to look at the numerator and the denominator and be sure that there's no more than one common factor between the two. Now that I have 1 as my numerator, since I made it a unit fraction, now I know that this is as simplified as it's going to get. I'm having a little trouble writing here, but that's okay. Now that 1/2 is simplified, so we've reduced it successfully.